What is up, internet? Welcome back to Mile High K, America's original K car channel. And today, in true millennial fashion, I'm gonna get distracted. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've just been living life, getting busy, all that stuff. You know how it is. But today I want to start getting distracted by working on my 1980 CB125S. This was actually my first motorcycle, and it's gone through a couple different hands. I've sold it to a friend, he sold it back to me. We painted it, repainted it, all that stuff. It used to be yellow at one point, and now I'm trying to just start fresh. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna completely tear the whole thing down, paint the frame, and kind of do a sort of restoration on it. The nickname of this bike is the Twizzler. It used to be red, as you can see by the side cover, and it just kind of makes like a twizzling kind of sound. That's going to be the big part of this video. While we're here, the elephant in the room, the van, had been working on this in the background, and I will give you a couple updates on what I'm doing on it. So the biggest thing you can see here is that both the side door and the passenger rear quarter panel are painted. These are just painted with those big Rust-Oleum turbo cans. I think they turned out pretty nice. I do still want to do some like fine sanding on it and do some 2K clear over it. I also think I want to paint the door handles to match. They just kind of look a little crusty right now. That's where we're at on that. And the big limiting factor right now is finishing the wiring. So all this big exposed wiring right here is for the fuel pump. I did make this nice kind of wiring board that goes underneath here. So underneath this little tray, that's where the windshield wiper fluid is. So you can see I have a little bit of a leak, so that's why I wanted to separate the electronics from there. So just finishing getting that wired up, and then we'll be able to plug in the computer, which is hanging out up here, and start to see if we can get this started. I do have the intercooler piping all finished up. Here's a video of me installing it, as well as finishing up the wiring on this. I only have pliers down here. Don't yell at me. So after that great GoPro footage of me wiring and putting in intercooler piping, we are ready to get distracted and work on the CB125. I think now I just need to find something to prop up the whole bike on, and then I can start disassembling everything. All right, internet, wrapping up this video. I got the CB125 all taken apart, as you can see right there. Did some work on the van, got these intercooler pipes all ready to go. Just need to crawl under there and install them. Got all the wiring done, so now there's, in theory, 0 wiring left. Got the fuel pump all wired up, as you saw in those great little clips. Yeah, just have to start polishing the engine, clean up the frame, paint it, do a little bit of welding. Battery on the van is good somehow after 2 years, but that's not important. Thanks again for watching this video. Sorry it was a little slow this year, but you know, always working to get a little better in the new year. So we'll see you then. And thanks again for watching. And remember, keep it small.